Alrighty guys, Psvr here. Today we're unboxing something again for videos in the future as I unbox like the Armed Forces and the Elite remote, which will probably be out later on down the road. We're going to be unboxing a PlayStation VR. This is something we already had a PlayStation VR and it got the black screen of death. So we had to get another one. That's why there was a lack in VR videos, is because of that. But now they should be coming on strong again. So yeah, now that we got another VR headset, let's unbox this bad boy. Just cut that like this. Put this over here. Let's see what's all inside. Got this from GameStop, if you did not know already. I don't remember what it's called in the UK or over there, across seas I should say. I don't remember the exact name of the GameStop, but I'm sure you could get the same product over there too, refurbished. Let's see. Okay, no wrapping or nothing inside. That's it. Okay. Sony PlayStation. Little PlayStation VR thing. My camera cut off. It does that time to time. But yeah, let me move this out of the way. A pair of earbuds to go with it. That's actually not what came with our other one. The other one came a little bit differently. It's a lot different, but pretty cool. I like it. Okay, it does come with a box too. Okay, I didn't think it was going to come with this. It actually does come with this. Okay, that's pretty cool. This is what everything goes into. I'll show you how to hook it all up and stuff later. Actually, probably in the same video. So I'll show you how to hook all this stuff up and get it working for your TV. We have the AC adapter. Power adapter or whatever it's called. We have the HDMI cable, which comes with it. You have to have HDMI cable running from this to the Xbox or something. There's a way to, not the Xbox, PlayStation. There's some way to hook it up. Again, I'll show you how to do that also. And here is the power adapter right here. This is the power adapter. That's just the AC cord. There you are. And let's move this box out of the way. This is the VR headset. Okay, let's see. Does it look any different than what we have? No, not really. It actually looks about the same. The reason we got this though is because the older one we got brand new, and GameStop does not give you warranties for brand new ones, so we got a refurbished one, so we get a warranty. So if this one gets the black screen death, we can get another one to replace it without having to paying for it again. This just show you how to hook it all up and everything, but I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video also. So yeah. So that's it. That looks pretty good. Looks in good condition. Has a little scratches here and there, but it's going to get that either way. 4 people play this, so it's going to get scratches and stuff like that, so it should be fine. But yeah, I'm going to take all this into the bedroom and I'll show you how to hook it up to get your VR running. Alright, we are in the bedroom with the PlayStation and everything in here. Let's move this PlayStation remote real quick. PlayStation needs to dust it off, but I just ain't had time to do it yet. Well, actually, we've been playing it for a while because most of our games are PlayStation games, so most of our PlayStation games are VR games. Of course, you're going to need motion controls for most of your VR games. We got those. Okay, so here's our old VR headset right here. And of course, it has the black screen of death, so we cannot use it anymore. So, we just unhook this bad boy, get it out the way. We got new stuff on the floor behind me. Well, not behind me, but it's out the way, so it won't stick on it. Okay, so now, what we got to do is, there's HDMI, 2 HDMI cables, that's the big thing, and the power adapter running over here just to fall near me. Just unhook that, and then just one single cord right here unhooks. Unhook it. There's the whole AC adapter. I don't know if this is messed up or the other thing, so I'm just going to change out everything and have the other stuff for spare parts in case we ever need it. So, yep. I'll put everything brand new in here, so we have everything brand new. You have to have a cord ran to the front of the PlayStation for the VR to work, so you have to unhook it as well. Take that, put that over there. I think it's in there with the AC adapter. Yes, it is. Let me just unhook all this stuff. I still rubber band together and everything, so bear with me for a second. Let's see. There's all that. There's one more rubber band, of course. Always going to use a lot of rubber bands, and of course, there's another rubber band. Two for the front of the Xbox PlayStation. I keep on calling it Xbox because I'm so used to playing on Xbox. And boom, there we go. Now let's take this and shake it real quick. Unravel it. Yeah, there's a bit of my hair, so you know what our hair looks like. If you don't want to really know what I look like, just go to Maverick's Adventures, link in the description. I'll do a face reveal at like 1,000 subscribers probably, but if you really just want to see what I look like, you can just check out right there. Okay, got a new HDMI. It really don't matter, so you can go over the old stuff. It really does not matter at all. And I'm trying to find the AC adapter. There we are. AC adapter. I mean, the HDMIs really don't matter too much, but I'll show you how they're hooked up in the other way. Anyway, I'll show you where to ran and all that good stuff. Let's unhook all this. I'm recording on a GoPro too, so I couldn't find my thing. I record my phone, so I had to record my GoPro. So sorry about that. If it looks a little weird, it's all set up. Okay. And of course, you take this and fling it out like I showed earlier. Unravel it. Unravel it good. Then you just take it and you hook it up right there. I mean, it's pretty basic. Then you just take one end, keep over here, and take the other end and plug it into a nearby outlet. Very easy to do that. Very easy to do, I should say. Then we do that like that. Run this up here. This one's actually a little bit shorter than the old one, but it should work fine still. There's that. Okay. There's two HDMIs, as I already said, one there, one there. The one on the far right, let's see where it runs. It runs to, and there goes the camera. You also need that in order to play VR. The one on the far right runs to the TV, the other one runs to the PlayStation. They do like that. So yeah, that's how the far right one, this one runs to the TV, this one runs from the PlayStation to the box. Then it goes from this box into the TV to play the way the VR looks. Whew. So now, let's just take this. I gotta put the camera back up now. That's great. It falls down all the time, so it ain't gonna hurt it. Now let's just plug it up right here, just like that. Just like that. Okay. Old box over there. I think it's a big problem with just the headset. I don't think it's actually the box, but just in case, I put the box over there too. Alright, there's that. And now you just hook up the headset right here. And then let's hit the big old power button right there. Do that like that. Some nice rolled up cord right there. That looks freaking nice. I don't know if you can, yeah, there you go. That's a lot of cord, which you have to have for VR. My light is about to go out. And because that was what was holding on I was using the TV power outlet instead, because we're using, this requires 4 outlets. So, yeah. One for TV, one for PlayStation, one for the VR, and then we have another one for the 3 PlayStation remotes and the motion controls and all that good stuff. There's a white one and a regular one. The white one goes on the white one. Goes like that, I think. Yep. Then the other one goes like that. There you go. Now that's on and good. And yeah, I think the VR is already hooked up. Let's see, that turned on good. That's good. Let's see. Wait for it to pop up on TV. Let's just mash that button. Actually, really in a button, but anywho. And yeah, VR is working. It's not working on. There you go. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's lit up. Let's see if we can get this. There you go. Yeah, there you go. And that's VR. The VR is hooked up and good and working now. So yeah, there's a sensor right here that you can cover up, and that's how it detects your head and everything. I got to put the camera back up because now it's saying that the camera is looking at the floor, it seems. But yeah, that about does it for this video, guys, about hooking up the VR headset, unboxing the VR headset, and getting it all set up and ready to go. Now we're ready to play some VR and record and stuff like that, and there'll be some of that in the future. But anyways, guys, if you guys would like to, please give this video a big old fat thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell so you can know if I release videos daily, and comment on below if you want to see more VR videos and which VR videos would you like to see for me to do, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!